Did an ex or hacker leak your nude photos or videos online and now you want them removed? By the end of this video, you will know how to remove your private photos from the internet. And we're starting right now. Hi, I'm Melanie Hughes, a paralegal at Mink Law, the nation's leading law firm when it comes to removing damaging content from the internet. Finding intimate images or videos of yourself on the internet can be devastating and can feel like your privacy has been violated. But don't panic. There are tactics you can use to remove your private images and videos from the internet. In this video, I'm going to discuss how you can locate where your nude photos are posted, how to remove your private photos from the internet, your legal options for taking action against those who upload and distribute your photos, and lastly, how to seek legal help to delete your nude photos from the internet. One of the first steps you need to take in removing your nude photos from the internet is to identify all the places where the content has been posted. Use a reverse image searching tool to upload your photos and search to see where else they may be posted on the internet. If your name or other terms are associated with the photos, search those terms in Google, Bing, and DuckDuckGo to find other sources that are hosting the images. If your face is featured in the photos, you can use facial recognition software and apps to track down the images online. PIM Eyes is a paid facial recognition service that combs through the internet to find pictures containing faces. Intimate images can spread like wildfire on the internet. We recommend making a spreadsheet of all the links you find that contain your photos so you can keep track of all the URLs during your removal efforts. In addition to keeping track of the links, we highly suggest screenshotting or preserving copies of where the content is posted in case you need this as evidence in future legal proceedings. After identifying all locations where your nude photos are posted, there are a few different steps you can take to remove them from the internet. These steps include 1. Sending a DMCA takedown notice for copyright infringement, 2. Reporting the photos to the platform they are posted on, and 3. Obtaining a court order. First is the DMCA takedown notice. This is one of the most powerful and effective tools when it comes to removing media from the internet. DMCA stands for Digital Millennium Copyright Act. This act protects copyright holders from online theft. If the nude photos that are being posted to the internet are owned by you, meaning you took them or own the copyright, then you can send what's called a DMCA takedown notice to the website or hosting provider to secure removal. The DMCA takedown notice informs the website that your copyrighted images are being used without your permission and that they need to remove them immediately to avoid further legal action. Another method of removing nude photos from the internet is to utilize reporting tools or contact forms on websites or apps. If the images that are posted are not owned by you or they're on a platform that does not allow this type of content, like Facebook or YouTube, your best bet is to use the reporting tool to get the content down. Other websites may have a Contact Us form or other way to connect with them. Sometimes, just simply requesting the removal of the image is enough for the site to take it down. Google and Bing also have easy and effective portals to remove non-consensual, explicit, or intimate personal images from search engines. By submitting a request through these portals, the search engines may remove nude images and videos that were created or shared without consent from the search results. However, keep in mind that while this may remove photos from the search results, it does not remove them from the source. Lastly, if other methods are unsuccessful, you may be able to file a civil suit to secure a court order for removal of the images from the internet. Court orders are widely accepted by most internet service providers and websites and can be used to take down content and prevent future harm and damage. If someone is illegally distributing your nude images online, you may have several options when it comes to taking legal action against them, such as bringing criminal charges and pursuing civil remedies. You may be able to bring criminal charges against a person who is uploading or sharing your images, depending on your state and what age you were when the photos were taken. Photos that were taken when you were a minor may be considered child pornography, which is a very serious crime. While each state carries its own child pornography laws, punishments are harsh for people who commit these types of crimes. Even if the images were taken of you when you were of legal age, you may still have the option of pressing criminal charges. Currently, 46 states have laws against the distribution of non-consensual pornography. If someone is distributing your nude photos without your consent, you may be able to hold them accountable for revenge porn, if your state has a statute regarding this crime. If criminal action is not an option, you may have civil remedies available. Although only 12 states currently have civil laws regarding revenge porn and the non-consensual sharing of private images, you may be able to sue the perpetrator in any state using other civil claims, such as the intentional infliction of emotional distress and other privacy torts like false light, invasion of privacy, and misappropriation. Removing your nude photos from the internet can be an overwhelming and daunting task. Sometimes it's best to hire help to assist you. Professionals, like attorneys, can help you locate, remove, and identify the person distributing your nude photos online. To find an attorney who can specialize in removing this type of content from the internet and who can help you take legal action, take the following steps. Call your local bar association to find attorneys in your area who can help, or search attorney directories such as lawyers.com, avo.com to find an attorney who specializes in the removal of non-consensual pornography. For additional assistance, contact the Cyber Civil Rights Initiative at the number on the screen to speak with a representative that can provide information, support, referrals, and non-legal advice. And that's it for this video. If you are struggling to remove your nude photos from the internet, please do not panic. There are ways to remove this type of content from the web and hold those who distribute it accountable for their illegal actions. Call, chat, or email us today to discuss how Mink Law can help. This is Melanie Hughes at Mink Law, and I will see you in the next video.